You're like, I want to do great things. I want to serve my community. I want to honor God, but I don't know how to do that. God created you with purpose. And if you continue to trust in Him, you will be successful in whatever you set out to do for Him. God has already given you what you need to succeed. The decision you need to make, though, is are you actually going to step into whatever God is already calling you to do? And God doesn't lose. Right? You won't find a passage in Scripture where it says, and then God was defeated. You won't find it. Why would God tell me to invite that person to church? I just don't know, right? We doubt things that are clearly marked in Scripture.